y'all, your girl Katia, aka Mariama May, and I am back again with another video. As you can see by the title, this is going to be a my favorite lip glosses video with me, as well as a lip glosses not to get, okay honey? Because we've been there, we've done that. But if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to my channel and supporting your girl. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the May Gangg, and let's get into it. Okay, so this video should be fairly short, so I'm just going to get into my favorite lip glosses that I have been using. Currently right now I'm wearing 2 of them, but I'm going to go from the one I've used the most, like right now, to like maybe the least. So the first runner-up is Ulta Beauty. This lip gloss by Ulta Beauty brand, and it's Juice Infused Lip Oil, and this is what it looks like. Very nice and cute. So the flavor, or the kind that I got, is cranberry, pomegranate, canterbury, grenade. And so this is what it is. I absolutely love it. As you can see, it's literally like gone, and this cost me like $9. I got this about around Christmas time, so it's lasted me like a few weeks, maybe like 3 weeks or so, and I absolutely 1000%, 100% love it and would recommend. And as you can see, it matches. It's perfect. It's good for me. It's not like I'm adding lip gloss, lipstick. It's not like I'm changing the color of my lips, but it just blends very nice, very well with my lip gloss. So this is one of the lip glosses that I have on. Like I said, $9, very nice, affordable, long lasting, just perfect. It's moisturizing. It like gets the job done, and it leaves a shine. This one actually is very much lip gloss. Like, you don't need a lot to make your lips pop. Like, you don't need a lot to make them shine. So this is the first one. The second one that is my go-to is from Bath & Body Works. I love Bath & Body Works lip gloss. Very moisturizing. It is a little expensive to me compared to what I used to pay. Like, the Ulta one was $9. This one, they're usually $7 something plus tax. They usually have sale like buy 2 get 1, or whatever the situation may be. But I love this lip gloss. This one is just very clear. This one is a vanilla mint. It says supreme 2 times, twice the moisturizers and twice the breath freshness. So this one has a little mint, like a little tingle to it. What I like also about Bath & Body Works is, okay, so with this lip gloss and another lip gloss that I'll show you, they are very much like lip gloss. Like, your lips are going to be popping. But with Bath & Body Works, it's like a subtle shine. It's just like very subtle. You would need to put like a lot, or use like the mint kind, if you know what I'm talking about. It's like the greenish teal like bottle that has a clear. And if you apply that a couple times, that will give you that gloss look that you want, or that you may not want, or that you're looking for. But what I like about Bath & Body Works, it's like subtle. It's not doing too much. It's not too overbearing for some people, but it just is just right. And then this kind, as you can see, is one of the kinds that is more shareable. Like, say your girl lips is crusty, she like, you have some lip gloss for me to share, and then it's like, you can, you know, put it on her finger. I don't know how y'all be with people touching the lip thing, but it can drop. Okay, you don't have to touch where I put my lips. So I'm gonna just show you that it is clear. As you can see, let's zoom in on it. Very much clear. So that's what I have on my lips as well. So I have these 2 on right now in this video. So perfect, and then clear. So that's what I have on right now. Very, very moisturizing and perfect. And then lastly, I have this lip gloss right here that I actually got from Dollar General, which I very much like, and we'll put y'all in game. So this is by Believe Beauty, and the color is Clearly Crystal. That's the name of this color. And then, as you know, this one was you have to run it back, but this is Juice Infused Lip Oil. So very, very, very moisturizing. Also very, very, very moisturizing. They don't break my lips out. They don't make my lips like change colors because of like the cheapness of the quality, but they're both good quality. $9 and $7, you know, I had tax with that. They better be good. And this one is actually a little cheaper, but I do like it. This one is like, will last through the thick. This one will last for hours. Like this one will last through the storms of life, honey. Like, I washed my face and it didn't come off. Like, it's just like that sticky type. Like, if you don't really like sticky, I will go with the Ulta and Bath and Body Works because they're very like light but moisturizing. You might have to reapply it, you know, a few times. I want to say a few times, but yeah, you might have to reapply it a few times. This baby right here, baby, you don't really have to apply it that much because it's that strong. And also, like I said, it like adds a good shine. This is also one of the ones you don't really share like that, but as you can see, this is very much clear, like clear, like you can see through clear. So with that being said, because it's so clear, it like adds that like shine that you're looking for, and it's long lasting. And this one was only $4 at Dollar General, and it has not broken my lips out, which lastly, I don't have an example of it because like I threw them away, but I used to use these cheap lip glosses from the beauty supply store. If you in my city, I'm putting you on game, okay? Don't do that no more. Do not do that anymore. Save yourself. So I used to get them a lot, and they would have my lips popping, honey. Like when I was in my college days, lips was popping and they wasn't breaking out from it. Fast forward to like 2020, my lips said no more, sweetie. We're leveling up. We're on a new level. We can't do that anymore. So my lips got really black, and Daniel's like, that's God punishing you, da 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 da, because he don't like lip gloss, but I do. I love lip gloss. So he like, that's God, and I'm just like, what? So, you know, my lips go back to normal. You know, I kind of like chill a little bit because that was my go-to lip gloss. Like, I was cheap like that, but my lips, they just require higher quality now. My skin is not doing that cheap stuff no more. So actually this one is pretty well, and this is the cheapest one that I have, and it has yet to break me out. Like, I literally have a fear now because like literally a few months ago, not even maybe, my lips was like dark. Like, they was dark. Like, even on a YouTube video you might even be able to notice, but they were just dark, and it was just like, I cannot get with it anymore. But so yeah, so these are my favorite lip glosses that I have been using so far that are gonna take me into 2022. I'm pretty sure like I might go to Ulta again and find another one, but I will definitely re-up on this. Like, I absolutely love it. I like this. I would apply it, but I literally have enough on right now. But like this one, like if you just put it on, I think like it's good enough. Like, I said I wasn't, you know what, I'm not gonna do it. I gotta do it. But yeah, so these are my favorite lip glosses, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super girly. Like, I've just like in this, I'm 23, I'm young, you know, my life is good, and I just like, I mean, everything isn't perfect, but like I just love girly pamper me stuff. So you'll be seeing a lot more of that in 2022. So, and like, as you can see, like my nails are all done and cute and everything. Like, this is just clear with some gel, and they just look like so cute. And excuse this one, you know, this one is a little short, but like I just love girly stuff, like face mask and having my hair laid, smelling good, moisturized skin. Like, I just love taking care of myself, because if I don't, who will? Who's gonna do it? Nobody. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So without further ado, and also like the house has changed around, so I'm actually at home in our family room, and yeah, so without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Over and out.